Welcome. In this video, we will discuss registering new users in Immerse2learn. We will cover registering both students and instructors. This video is intended for Immerse2learn system owners. If your organization orders subscription codes, please see the video on activating subscription codes. There are two methods to registering new users in Immerse2learn. The first method we will discuss is having students self-register. Self-registration is the recommended and most popular method to register students in Immerse2learn, as it saves the instructor time because they don't have to enter the student information, then distribute login credentials to each student. To have students self-register, you first must attain the class enrollment code. The class enrollment code is located in the class editor. Click the class editor icon under Actions on your homepage. Bottom of the class editor, there is a field titled Enrollment Code. Distribute this code to your students and have them follow the instructions in the How to Activate Enrollment Codes video, available on YouTube, or instructions provided in your Immerse2learn Instructor Quick Guide. Contact support at Immerse2learn.com if you need help accessing either of these resources. If there's not already an enrollment code in the class editor, enter a code, then click the Update button at the top right of the page. Each class must have a unique class enrollment code between 5 and 12 characters. The second registration method to discuss is manually registering new users. Both new students and new instructors can be registered with this method. When manually registering each user, you will need to enter each user's name and email and create the user's username and password. Once you have registered each user, you will need to distribute each user's username and password. Start by clicking the Add/Remove Students icon under Actions on your homepage. If you are enrolling an existing Immerse2learn user into a class, you can either enter their first and last name or username, then click the Enroll Students button on this page. Otherwise, to register new users, click the Click Here to Register New Students link. This is the registration form for new users. Note, if you would like to add an instructor, there is a drop-down menu below the first name input box to change the user type. There is a drop-down menu in the top ribbon bar to add up to 20 users at a time. Select the desired number of users, then click the Change Form button. If the class associated with the Add Remove Students icon you clicked on your home page has an enrollment code, it is automatically added to the registration form. If the enrollment code field is filled in on the registration form, users will be registered and enrolled at the same time. If there is no enrollment code, after you register users, you will need to return to the previous page to enroll them into the class. Complete the registration form. Click the Allow Duplicate Names checkbox. Click the Register Users button. The registration process is complete. Distribute the user's login information. If you have registered a new instructor, you need to give them access to the class by adding them as a class peer in the class editor. To do so, click the logo at the top left of the screen to return to the home page. Click the class editor icon under Actions for the desired class. At the bottom of the page, click the ribbon bar that says Select Class Peers. Click the checkbox next to the instructor's name. Click the Update button at the top right of the page. This concludes this video on registering new users in Immerse2learn. For Immerse2learn support, contact support at Immerse2learn.com.